Welcome to African Village Life, African Food. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Njahi Mogo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking black beans with rice, Njahi in our local language, Embu language. Njahi are very nutritious in vitamins. They are good for breastfeeding mothers. Welcome to my channel. Like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. For the returning subscribers, for the returning viewers, thank you for watching. Today we are cooking black beans with rice and cabbage. Remember, black beans are so healthy with people with diabetes, people with high blood pressure. Black beans, they are so good. They lower blood pressure and they help lowering diabetes. So, Njahi black beans are good with breastfeeding mothers. Wow, thank you for watching. Wow, start by selecting Njahi or black beans. Today we are cooking with my grandmother. My grandmother is the one who is showing me how to cook this traditional food, Njahi black beans, and how they used to cook them. Remember, black beans are cooked for, we cook them for 3 good hours to be ready. We have to boil Njahi for 3 good hours. Welcome. Wow, those are our black beans. We start by selecting them. Well, we have to select them. Wow, those are black beans. They are very high in vitamins. They are so nutritious. Remember, black beans lowers high blood pressure and diabetes. So you have to eat Njahi regularly. They are good. They are healthy. Wow. You have to boil Njahi for 3 good hours. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 680 subscribers with 1,000 subscribers. Wow. This is firewood. Wow. Remember, in Africa, in Kenya, rural villages of Kenya, we use 3 stoves for cooking. We use firewood. We use pots, different types of pots. We use sufurias, which are black in color outside. Wow. Wow. While Njahi are boiling in the other side, in this side of the, we have to boil rice. Wow. Wow. We continue boiling rice. selecting rice and boil it for 30 minutes. This is local rice. Even my daughter is trying to cook like what she sees me cooking. Wow. Today we are cooking njahi, boiled rice and fried cabbage for lunch. Kindly subscribe, share to your friends for your support. We have our number in our bio. Kindly you can support us by subscribing to our channel so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. Our recipe today is carrots, tomatoes, black beans, rice, cabbage, oil, and salt. Remember, we are located in the rural villages of Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. Wow, this is nature. Wow, this is water, clean water from the pot. This is rice. Wow. Boiled rice. This is an African man busy cooking. Remember, in the villages we reef as symbol rice. We have to cover our rice with another sufuria. Life in the village is so simple. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for sharing. Our rice is ready. Start by preparing carrots. We grate our carrots. Remember njahi, we will fry njahi with carrots, with grated carrots, tomatoes and onions respectively. For cabbage, we shall fry cabbage only. Wow, those are tomatoes, those are carrots, onions. Remember, in the village, we don't use spices. We cook ordinary cooking and life continues. This is my grandmom, almost 100 years, and she is still energetic. She is the one who is showing me how to cook this traditional food, njahi, in our local language, Hebrew language. We are Hebrians, so we speak Hebrew language. Those green beans, we call them njahi. Those are njahi. After our onions are brown, we add tomatoes. We add carrots. Let's make it fresh. We have to fry carrots and onions for some few seconds. We add salt. Then we add carrots. Let's make it fresh. We have to stir carrots and tomatoes to be blended. Then we add our njahi. Wow, we covered our carrots and tomatoes with an arrowroot leaf. With an arrowroot leaf. Remember, this is a faded river where we fetch water for cooking. It's a faded river where we fetch water for cooking. Very clean water. Wow. We start by preparing our cabbages while njahi are boiling in the other side. Wow. You have to add njahi. Wow. We have to add njahi from the pot. Remember, njahi, they are already boiled. So we have to add njahi. We are cooking together with my grandmother. Wow. She's the one. Remember, the pan is so small, so we have to change from the pan to a sufuria because we have to add a small soup. Those are njahi with the carrots, fried with carrots. They are so healthy. Remember, they lower blood pressure and diabetes. So if you are diabetic, you have to use a lot of njahi and small carbohydrates. So you have to cook njahi, more njahi, and then you eat more patches or starches. They are so healthy. Immediately after you eat njahi, your blood pressure will be lowered. Your blood sugar will be lowered. We have to cut our cabbages into pieces. We cut our cabbages manually. Wow. While njahi are cooking the other side, we have to cook. Wow. These are njahi. What's wrong with our camera? The one who took the camera, he took the camera while it is standing. Wow, this is an error. Our njahi are ready. So we have to fry our cabbage. We add a small oil. Wow. We add a small oil. Then we fry our cabbage. Remember, we are cooking the food for lunch. Our kids are already close to the school, so we have to eat the food together. Yeah. Wow, these are tomatoes. Our onions are already brown color. We add tomatoes. Then we add cabbage with some carrots. Oh, this is cabbage mixed with some carrots. Wow, you can see we have mixed some carrots with cabbage. Wow, they are so delicious. Remember, you have to eat a balanced diet to keep you fit. For your health, you have to cook to eat balanced diet. Carbohydrates, vitamins, and starches. Carbohydrates, vitamins, and The food is ready. We have to serve. Remember, in Africa, we start by serving our kings first. We have to serve our kings first. Our kings first. They have crossed the school. We have to serve the food together. And we enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 680 subscribers. We're to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly share, comment, subscribe. Wow, the food is ready. Cabbage, fried njahi, fried cabbage, boiled rice, and we enjoy the food together. Wow, we have to enjoy the food together. Thank you for watching my channel. This is my grandma. Say hi to my grandma. Leave a good comment for your mom. Comment. Let me know in the next episode what do you want us to cook with my grandma. Our next episode, you want us to cook what? Wow, remember we are located in Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. We live in the rural villages of Embu. Wow, life in the village is so simple. The food is yummy and delicious. Welcome as we enjoy together. Wow, kindly thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.